Hi and welcome. Today, we're exploring a key question. Can Omnisend be used for beginners in e-commerce marketing? Let's find out how beginner-friendly Omnisend really is. Omnisend is an all-in-one marketing platform that's built for e-commerce, but it's also designed with simplicity in mind. For those just starting out, that's crucial. Let's dive into what makes it great for beginners. First up, ease of use. Omnisend's interface is straightforward. Right from the get-go, you're guided through setup with helpful tips. And navigating through campaigns and features, it's all clear and user-friendly. Then there are the templates. Omnisend has a variety of pre-designed email and SMS templates that are easy to customize. No design skills? No problem. You can start sending professional-looking campaigns in no time. Automation might sound complicated, but Omnisend simplifies it with pre-built workflows for things like welcome emails and cart abandonment reminders. It's just a matter of tweaking them to fit your brand. Thinking about giving Omnisend a try? There's a link in the description for a free trial. Perfect for getting your feet wet without any commitment. Plus, if you ever get stuck, Omnisend's 24/7 support and extensive tutorials are there to help you out. They make learning the ropes pretty straightforward. So yes, Omnisend is definitely suitable for beginners. Its intuitive design, helpful templates, and excellent support system make it an ideal choice for anyone new to e-commerce marketing. If this quick overview was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights. Any questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.